Hey guys, this is Wes at WRT Tech, and I'm back with your second video in the Java for Absolute Beginners series. Before we start, let me preface this video by saying the best way to learn is to actually write this program yourself along with me. So have all this installed and do all this along with me. In this video, we're going to go over what comments are, what packages, classes, and this main method right here is, and then we're going to write our first program. Okay, so let's get started with comments. All this in gray is comments, and these are multi-line comments, and the way they are written is you can have a forward slash, an asterisk, multiple lines of text, and then an asterisk and a forward slash. So let's get rid of that. Another way you can write a comment is 2 forward slashes and then your text. If you go to the next line, it is no longer a comment, and the way you can tell is an error will show, and that's what this red exclamation point is, and it will no longer be gray. All comments are gray. So you're probably asking right now what comments are. Well, comments are actually not part of the program, but they are used to help you along with other programmers understand the program better. They're there for basically for you to comment and whatever you want to put there that will help you later on. That's about all they are. So let's go to what a package is. A package is basically a group of related classes and interfaces. You're not gonna have to know all this very well right now. I just want you to at least have a vague understanding of it before we start writing our program. So a class is, think of it like a template, and all your code goes within your classes. It holds methods, variables, string, arrays, etc. Classes will have open and close curly braces, and everything within these open and closed curly braces is considered part of the class. So once we go to line 13, that is no longer part of our class. Public is an access modifier. It allows classes and methods access to the class or to the main method. There's 2 publics right here. So if it was private, classes and methods wouldn't be able to access our class hello YouTube or our method main. So static. This often causes a lot of confusion, and we'll cover it in depth later. But for now, just know that this is makes this main method available at the class level. And I know that's kind of confusing, but it should clear up as we go through our tutorials. Void, it means it doesn't return anything. This main method won't return anything. So main, this is our main method. You cannot have Java without a main method. All programs will have a main method, and the way this works is Java looks through all your classes, and since we only have one, it doesn't have to look through too much, but it finds main, the main method, and that's where it starts. So if we had multiple, like 100 classes, it would look through all those classes, and once it found main and our main method, that's where it would start. So methods also have 2 curly braces, as you can see, one here. Everything within that method is your curly brace, and what you write inside of a method is the instructions. You can think of a method like, say we had a class named house, and this was named house, and our main method was turn on the light. That's a method or a function. This would be how to turn on the light. Step 1, walk over to light. Step 2, and so on. Which that's an error because in Java it can't read English because it's stupid. But we will tell it exactly what to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to show how to display text on a screen down here. And I've already been messing with it, and that's not what we're going to display. But how to do that is System.out.println print line. And you have to have these brackets. Then you have to have these quotation marks. And anything within here, these two quotation marks, will print out on the screen. So what we are going to do is write hello YouTube. This is our first program, and everything but methods and classes will end with semicolons. So if we had 20 of these System.out.println, which all it does is it prints text out on the screen, we would have semicolons after each one. So what we do to run this is we have to file, save, and then we click run. We go down to the box and it says hello YouTube. Yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. Like I said, go back and mess around with this. Change this and just hit hello, save it, and run it. Put whatever you want in it. Put two System.out.println, and just mess around with it. Make sure you have the semicolon afterwards. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.